Well, I'd like to start off today by saying a big thank you to everyone who's been in touch with us. Now, I've got a list here of some of the people. I'm not sure where you're all from, but I do know that some of you are from around the world. Sophie, Todd, Lily, Kelly, Rick, who definitely comes from India, Angela, who comes from France, Christina, and Grateful and Humble. Thank you so much for your lovely comments and for getting in touch. So today we're going to do something a little bit different. It's not about manners, but it's about keeping us safe in these difficult times. So Ella, who lives in Gaborone, which is the capital of Botswana, and is being a very avid viewer and has been in touch a lot, which is absolutely great, has sent in a video with her mum to show us how to make a face mask out of a handkerchief or a table napkin. It's very simple, but I wouldn't have thought of it. So if you have any ideas, please get in touch at grannymannersuk@gmail.com. So that's grannymannersuk@gmail.com, because I'd love to hear from you. And if you can upload any videos, we can show them on the channel to just spread the word and keep us happy and safe in this lockdown period. So here's Ella and her mum, Fiona.
Here's how to quickly and easily make a face mask at home.
Researchers have found out that a double layer of cotton is as effective as a surgical mask, so this is a really good washable alternative.
All you need are 2 normal elastic bands, or Ella's using some hair bands, and some 100% closely woven cotton. You could use a clean old bedsheet for this, or Ella is using a handkerchief.
First, fold the cotton like this and place the hair ties around the ends.
After that, you could put a bit of essential oil on if you wanted, and then you bring the ends in like this. And
lastly, use the hair bands to hook the mask around your ears and to cover your face. Ta-da!